Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you joining method number 4. It's called the continuous join as you go flat braid, and it's just as quick and easy as the last one. I'm using US terminology for this project, and you will need your yarn of choice, your hook using the same hook that you used for your project, scissors and a darning needle. Before we start joining, we need to make sure that our squares are facing the right way. For this project, I'm working it so that the last round has its face up, and ironically, so does the little centre. We're going to join the squares in the exact same direction that we did for the continuous join as you go using the granny clusters. We'll start in the top right corner of square number 1. Work across, work down, join square number 2. Then while working up the side of square number 2, we're going to join into square number 1. Join up here, work across the top, down, across, up, across, down, and then whiz all the way along at the bottom. And just continue on as we do for the continuous join as you go. We're going to start with a slip knot on our hook. Yarn end in your right hand, wrap around 2 fingers, pull up that loop in the centre for a movable slip knot. Now picking up your first square, we'll start in the top right corner with a single crochet in that corner space. Pop your hook in, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through both stitches. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll pop another single crochet back in that corner space. Chain 3. Single crochet into the next space. Chain 3. Single crochet into the next space. Chaining 3. Single crochet into the next. So we're going to do this all the way along the top. Chain 3 and single crochet. Now I'm at the end of the first row. I'm going to do chain 3, pop a single crochet into the corner, do 3 more chains and another single crochet in that corner. Now we're going to work our way down this left hand side, not doing any joining yet. Just doing chains and single crochets. So turn your square, chaining 3, single crochet in the space, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and I'll meet you down the bottom of our squares. When you come to the end of your second row of chaining, we're just going to do 1 single crochet in that bottom corner. Now we'll do 3 chains. We need to reposition our work so we can now attach square 1 to square 2. We're going to pop a single crochet across into this corner of square number 2. So hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we're going to start attaching square 2 to square 1 as we go up this direction. We're going to make chain 1, pop your hook into the chain space on square number 1, yarn over, pull through, pull the left loop through the one on your hook, and now do another chain. So that's your 3rd chain essentially. Coming over to this space, we'll do a single crochet. Now we'll do another chain. Now working into the next chain space on square 1, we're going to do another slip stitch. So popping your hook through, yarn over, pull the left through the right, chain 1 again. Now working that single crochet into that space, chaining 1, doing a slip stitch into the chain 3 on the other side, chain 1, doing a single crochet into the chain space on square number 2, chain 1, slip stitch into square number 1, chain 1, single crochet into that chain space on square number 2, chain 1, slip stitch into that chain 3 space, chain 1, single crochet into the chain space on square number 2. Let me lay this out and show you just how we're going. There we go, we're developing our continuous flat braid as we go, and it looks really nice too. So I'm going to work up this side and meet you at the corner. Okay, we're up near the corners. We need to just finish off this last little one here, slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet into the corner space, chain 1. Now we need to just do a slip stitch into this other chain 3 on square number 1. So hook in, yarn over, pull through, pull the left loop through the one on your hook, chaining 1, now coming back and doing a single crochet in that corner just to finish that off. And this is how we're looking. So now we're going to whiz across this square and down the side just with our single crochets and chains. So chaining 3, single crochet, chaining 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. I've worked all around square number 2 and now we've come to this junction here. So I'll turn my work up the wrong way so you can see what we need to do. All right, I've got chain 3 here. I'm going to complete this corner because at the moment it's only got 1 single crochet and a chain and a half. So we're going to pop another single crochet in there. We'll chain 1. Now we'll go into this little space here with a slip stitch. Then we'll chain 1 and we'll jump over to square number 1 to finish that corner off as well with a single crochet. Now chain 3 and single crochet into that space. We're working along the bottom of square number 1 now, before we then start adding square number 3. At this bottom corner of square number 1, I'll finish off with chain 3, pop a single crochet into that corner space, and now chain 3. We're going to flip our work around and we're going to add square number 3 to the mix. Okay, so we've got our chain 3 here, which would normally be our corner, but this time it's going to connect square 1 to square 3 by popping a single crochet in that corner. Now we're going to start connecting square 3 to the bottom of square number 1. So we chain 1, pop our hook into that chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through, pull the left loop through the one on your hook, chain another 1 and do a single crochet into that next space. Chain 1, pop your hook into the next chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through, pull the left loop through the one on your hook, chain 1, single crochet into the next space, chain 1, popping your hook under that chain 3, doing a slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet into the next space, chain 1, popping your hook under the chain 3 with a slip stitch, chain 1, and now a single crochet. Here our joining is starting to happen again, and it looks great too. I'm really happy with that. I'm going to head across and meet you when we come to this junction. I'm near to this 4-way junction. I just need to finish off here, so we'll chain 1, do a slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet into your corner, chain 1. Now, just like the continuous join as you go method with the granny clusters, we go into the corner which is directly opposite. Okay, so opposite on the diagonal. So we're going to do a slip stitch into that little corner space of square number 2. So hook in, pull a loop through, pull the left loop through the one on your hook, chain 1, and now come back and do a single crochet in that corner space, like so. Then when we pop square number 4 in, it too will have to go over to the diagonal corner space. So now I'm going to fly down here doing single crochets and chains. Now I'm near to the corner. I'll do chain 3, 1 single crochet in that corner, because we're going to chain 3 and connect to square number 4. Now all we need to do is connect square number 4 with a single crochet in its corner. Now we're going to do our braid up the side here, connecting as we go. Okay, so chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1 and single crochet. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet. All right, we're at this 4-way junction now. We need to pop a single crochet in that corner, chain 1, and now we need to do a slip stitch into this corner from square number 1, which is diagonally across. We're going to work from the underneath though, okay? I'm just going to turn my work around to make it a little bit easier. Picking up your work, finding that corner space from square number 1, pop your hook in, pull a loop through, pull the left loop through the one on your hook, chain 1 again, and now come back down to the corner of square number 4 and complete it with a single crochet. Let's have a look here. There we go. Pull it apart a bit so it doesn't look as squishy. Now all we need to do is head along this way and join square 4 to the bottom of square number 2. So I've chained 1, slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet into the next space, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet. There we go. Looking good. Looking really good actually. I'm going to whiz across the top of this and I'll just do the corner here with you. We'll pop a single crochet into square 4's corner, chain 1, now do a slip stitch into the corner from square number 2, chain 1 and a single crochet back into the corner from square number 4. Nicely joined. Now turn our work and whiz down this side. Near to our corner between square number 3 and square number 4, we're going to have to flip our work to do this one. Turn it round completely upside down. So we've done chain 3, we'll do a single crochet in that corner, chain 1, now we'll do a slip stitch into that space in the middle, chain 1 and finish this corner off with another single crochet and continue on with your braid. Now we're at the join on the side between square number 1 and square number 3. I've done a chain 3. We'll do a single crochet to finish off this corner here. Chain 1. slip stitch into this little space, chain 1, and now single crochet into the next corner to finish it off. And then we are literally nearly finished. It's just up this side and we're done. And now at the end of our join, we would normally snip off our yarn and do an invisible finish. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to undo this yarn and redo my work. So you can finish off with the invisible finish and that would look just a-okay. So we are done. I'm going to head off now, pull this undone and join my granny squares so that I will be ready to do the next tutorial for this blanket. Hope you've enjoyed this and I will see you really soon. Bye for now.